Ndị be anyị na Bọlachi, anyị sị ka ọ dịrị unu na mma, anyị sị ka nke onye chikwelu ya zelu. Dịka o si dị, ya bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si bịa na uhuruchi nketa iwetara unu ya bụ ozi gbasara maka ihe na-eme na the Old Eastern Region. Dịka unu anụ ka o si ada, nwanne anyị nwoke wetara anyị ozi n'elu akwụkwọ. Nke ahụ o wetara bụ, o kwuru sị na ndị Nigerian gọọmenti bụ nke onye isi fa bụ President Bola Ahmed Tinubu fa agbago nkịtị na atụmatụ ndị mmadụ na-eche gbasatara maka ka ga-esi budata Maazị Simon Ekpa bụ the Biafran Prime Minister. After this, ndị Igbo, Biafrans, Nigerians, be patient. The truth about Buhari will soon be out. Share the news in details. Updated maka ya wee bịa n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa bụ gbasara maka ya bụ ifu na-arụ na-ada na-akpọtụ n'ebe dị iche iche. Biko geenụ ya bụ updated maka ya wee bịa tọọ ntị na ana maka ya bụ ya nzoro ezo finally ọ pụtaghị ihe dịka ihe ga ya bụ ife. Achọrọ m ka unu react ya na ihe a niile ewetara n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa. All right, over to you, sir.
That's a big story. The banner headline from The Punch: Associates reflect on Buhari's final months. The riders to that one. State burial begins in a...
He fell ill. Were you told the hospital where he fell ill in 2017? Did any of you know? No. And now, they have invited Aisha. I remember that for 3 months, this woman was kept incommunicado. She was sidelined. A woman who's supposed to be beside her husband who was sick in the hospital. This cabal hijacked Buhari.
So how do you know she wasn't there?
Well, I'm coming now. Hold on, I'm coming. Remember that when this happened, it was Idris, the IGP that Buhari appointed in his first coming, in 2015, that was invited. Buhari's wife Aisha did not show up for over 3 months. When she even went there, they didn't allow her to see the husband. It's on record. Now
this recent one you're talking about,
the one that I said when he fell sick, not now, because this one that happened now, even none of us knew when she left.
Barrister, before you proceed, Moses asked a very important question. How did you know about all of this?
Come on, look, are you telling me that you people were not here when Buhari fell ill and for 3 months?
Yeah, we are looking at the source. What's your source?
My source is the news.
Which news?
The news that
the traditional media,
yes,
the social media.
Yes,
did you read all of this in the Guardian?
I said it was in the mainstream. Please hold on, please, Mr. Okoro, hold on, please. Nobody is here to tell us again Buhari because he's late.
Okay.
We are looking at the...
No, we are holding a conversation.
No, hold on, I'm telling you that if you are not aware, I am aware.
Okay, that's why I'm asking, because Moses asked the same question too.
Like, what is going on now? Do you know that even up to now, people are not even aware of the news going on around? They won't know. If tomorrow now, posterity were to say, when did this happen? I am telling you what happened, that for 3 months, nobody knew what was going on. It was the first person they called was Idris. And they said that Buhari wanted this man, his IGP. From that time on, everything was shrouded in secrecy. Aisha was done. I'm not asking. You can see how you treat women. This woman did not see the husband while she was sick. And now that she's late, they have not taken her there. And condolences are going on there.
Right, so let's for the benefit of our viewers, let's not confuse them. You're talking about when he was in office.
Yes.
In 2015.
Yes, right? I'm talking about this ill health, because
okay,
they said
that ill health in 2015.
That ended in just 2 days ago, because they are still saying that he had been ill for a long time. That was what Garba said. That means this sickness did not start today. The sickness that claimed Buhari's life was not, it didn't start today, but it was shrouded in secrecy. It was even that last week or 2 weeks ago when Garba was launching his book, and they even told us some of the lies they told us that time. That he invented the rat story to divert our attention from Buhari's ill health. What does that tell you?
No, but Barrister, I understand all of this. Buhari's ill health was not shrouded in secrecy.
It was.
Nigerians knew that he was sick. That at the point, okay, why did he have to hand over to Oshibajo at a point? Wasn't it because he went to hospital?
No, you are not getting it.
What am I not getting?
Before the final one that took him a long time in the UK.
Okay.
He was handing over until Oshibajo now acted as the president and did certain changes.
So Nigerians at that point knew that he was sick.
But he came back. When he came back, what happened? Is that not when they remove all the things Oshibajo did?
That's a different thing.
That's what he's saying. He's not getting it. It wasn't only for the first time that he went to UK. So before this one now,
he was sick in 2015. He got better. He came back and all of that.
Yes.
He passed on in 2025.
Exactly. He had been going and coming until the last one that took a long time. when Aisha Buhari was sidelined.
Okay, so what is the issue about?
We are tracing the history based on what he asked me or what the paper said. When eventually Buhari came back, listen very well. What happened? Aisha Buhari relocated to Dubai. It's on record. It was when her marriage was threatened by one other woman that she hurriedly came back.
Barrister, you seem to be driving at something that you don't want to hit on the head.
Why will you lay the foundation so that we know the genesis of this matter?
What is the matter now?
The matter is the death of Buhari.
Okay.
That people are now going to UK to go and pay condolence visits. Meanwhile, the whole issue is supposed to happen in Daura. Is it not coming back here today?
No, he's died in the UK. He's died in London.
In the UK. You don't expect people to go there and escort the money back home.
These things are necessary. Look, we are embarrassing ourselves as a nation. We are embarrassing ourselves so much. I don't like it.
No.
A president died in the UK.
We're not focusing on the fact that he died in the UK because that is enough. That aggrieves Nigerians enough.
It's a different talking point.
Yes, the president is hospitalized abroad. That's a different thing entirely. But the fact that that people were sent to escort the body back home, do you have a problem with that?
I have a problem because one, it is no longer escorting the body back. It is not a condolence visit. Why would
because the family is there.
Because a lot of some of the people that went to condole just didn't go to London because Buhari was sick. They were in the UK because they had other engagements.
When Buhari was very sick, why didn't the family go there? Answer me. Why didn't they take
Mama was there now. Mama was
Please,
there.
hold on. The wife was the first person who's supposed to be by the
family business.
No. Okay, why did you not take her there now? Why did you ask her to go there and be receiving visitors? No, why did you take her there now?
Was she taking there?
What? You mean if she was not allowed to go there, she would have gone? Is it possible?
Somebody
when the man was sick, why were you people? Why did you allow her to go there?
Nigerians were told when he traveled about a week or two ago. It was on the news that he had traveled for
I am saying it now. When this man needed the wife, when he was very sick.
Barrister, you're not part of the family, so I don't know how you.
Okay, how come when the man came back, Aisha relocated to Dubai? And they were begging her to come back.
That's in 2016.
It is the genesis of this matter.
Barrister, what is the matter? I keep going back to that. What is the matter?
Because you telling me that there is nothing wrong in her going
because I don't really understand the trajectory. That's why it's difficult for me to interject. But the point we are making here is that this man had died. He's going to be entered today.
I think Barrister is driving at something else entirely, but he doesn't want to say it.
You don't want me to say it. You don't want me to say it. People don't want to say it. I have made 2 points here, but you don't want to agree with me.
And you see, the wife holds the prerogative of when to be with him and then when not to be with him. Nobody stopped her from visiting her husband those early days.
I don't believe it.
And
see,
I recall that when Akeredolu was recuperating in Germany,
yes,
the wife was busy here in Nigeria, attending to some other things.
There's a lot going on social media, and a lot of Nigerians are pointing to the fact, to statements once made by nnamdi Kanu that there's a real Buhari and there's a double. I mean, that made the news. It was all in the papers. If you still check papers, you will see it. The story of a double for Buhari.
And he predicted when the real thing will happen.
The double.
2 years after he leaves office, that's when they will expose what happened.
That's what who said? That
was what nnamdi Kanu said. That 2 years after he leaves office, the real truth will come out. That's the truth. How come? Mr. Messi, listen very well. How come when Buhari came back from UK from his sick leave, Abi?
We are not privy to why she may have traveled.
The wife relocated to Dubai. Are you not supposed to be nursing your sick husband who came back from sickness? Is it not important? No, tell me it did not happen. Tell me now.
But the point is, whatever we are saying here, the president's family has a right to their privacy, and then rather than begin to unearth what we cannot really hold on to,
substantiate.
The best bet is for us to just sympathize with these people in this hour of need and let them soak, and then maybe pray for them to have that fortitude, because no matter how old you are, even as a father, your child will not want you to die, and no matter how old you are, as a woman married to you will not wish you dead. And so the woman is mourning now, and wherever she is, she can be visited, and I'm sure that she will accompany the corpse home to Katsina today. And so whatever it is, let them continue to sympathize with her and also give her the courage to be able to withstand this kind of calamity that has befallen her. So maybe we should rest that.
You remember my Bible says you shall know the truth and the truth shall set you free. If what you are saying now is the thing that happened, the right thing, if it is in fact, if that's the situation, nobody will break head over these things now. But when they have created some doubt in the minds of people, why won't you look at what the people are saying so that we cannot continue on this trajectory? How many world leaders have paid condolence visits or sent condolence message since Sunday? How many world leaders? Please, somebody answer me. How many world leaders? You mean they've not had, Abi? No, they've not had. Anyway, let's go to another topic.
All right. Well, if there is truly a double, we'll find out in the coming years.
Yeah, somebody will tell us the truth one day. Why not?
But in the meantime, this is the information we have. Is what
No, is it that the double is being buried today?
You have started again. You are raising that. You see now. You have seen him now. You see. You said we should not talk about it. Oh.
No, I was just pondering.
Is it today?
It's a rhetorical question.
You are not here when Hadi Sariki dribbled the whole Nigeria for almost 1 year. Sirika, the aviation man. He 419 all of us until 2 days to Buhari's leaving office, and Buhari even went to go and commission an aircraft that is not our own. And
which Buhari are you talking about?
You said which Buhari? Is there any other one?
Okay. I just want to.
All right. Okay. Now, Nigeria also lost a very important personality who was also Buhari's friend. That's the Awujale of Ijebuland, Oba Adetono. He died and he's been buried already. I would like for us to x-ray a few things. Mr. Fanimo. Now let's look at this headline from The Punch. It says, soldiers bar traditionalists from Awujale's Muslim funeral. Well, he opted for a Muslim funeral. But he's a traditional ruler.
I think
he was for over 60 years, if I'm not mistaken.
65.
65 years, a traditional ruler of a community. And traditionalists were bad. What does that say to upholding culture?
You see, there was a judicial intervention in this matter sometimes in the past that when he declared that he wanted to be buried the Muslim way, the traditionalists said no, that you can't have your cake and eat it. That you came in as a traditionalist and all the rites were performed and you allowed it to happen, you allowed such to happen. But suddenly, after spending many years on the throne, we now wanted to shift from the norm. I think there was a case and the judge came up with the verdict that he has the prerogative to decide to decide whichever religious way he could.
But what does that say to upholding our culture?
But culturally, I don't want to align with the judge, because you see, at some point, if there's something I dread in my life, and those who are close to me will understand me for that, is I hate betrayal of trust. You will never find me doing it. The fact that you allowed, because you were bent on becoming the Awujale, you allowed the traditionalists to keep you in a secluded place for 3 months, performing rituals every day of those 3 months, 90 days.
You sat on that stool for 65 years.
And you sat on the throne for 65 years, for God's sake. You are now changing the game. Suddenly, you say you are now a born-again Muslim, and then that nobody... And unfortunately, some traditional rulers are now towing this line. And in a way, even as sophisticated as Britain is today.
Ngwano, dalo ninenu ụmụnne m dịka unu si na-esoro anyị n'Igbo Media. Gịnị ka unu nwere ikwu na nkọwa nke unu gbasịta maka ihe unu nọ n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa? Gwa anyị ife iche n'ụdị nke gị, deela ya n'akara kọmentị ka mara ihe i chere, ma chetakwa tụsa ya bụ ozi ka o weretu ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị. Ndewo na ụmụnne m, ka emesịanụ.